Hello kids, good morning all. Today we will see some question and answers from our chapter number 9, Up You Go. So let us start. Question number 1. These questions are from page number 77. So number 1. Have you ever seen the mountains? Have you also climbed a mountains? So these questions you have to write answers by your own. So this is for your example. Answer is yes. Last summer we went to Shimla where we not only saw mountains but also climbed up. Number 2. How far have you walked at one time? How far can you walk? Answer. I walked about 7 to 8 kilometers at one time and I think I can walk as far as up to 15 kilometers at a time. Number 3. What do you think about the paths on the mountains? Draw a picture. You can draw the picture of mountains path in your notebook. Now question number 4. What do you think about the responsibilities of a group leader? Answer is the responsibilities of a group leader are challenging and of giving self-satisfaction. Question number 5. How would you feel if you were made a leader in such a camp? Answer is if I were made a leader in such a camp, it would boost my confidence that I was trusted upon for the job. I would take up the responsibility dutifully. Number 6. What does a monitor in your class have to do? Answer is in our class the responsibilities of a monitor are number 1 to maintain discipline in the classroom, number 2 to arrange requisite things like chalks, duster, dustbin, etc. Number 3 to convey the problems of a student to the concerned teacher or headmaster. Number 7. Would you like to be the class monitor and why? Answer is yes, I would like to be the class monitor. It will be a wonderful experience to lead my class. Number 8. These questions are from page number 80. Now, what kinds of tools are needed for climbing mountains? Answer is for climbing mountain, we need a thick rope, sling, stick, axe, etc. Besides these things, food packets, water bottle, hook, plastic sheet, diary, torch, towel, soap, wind cheater, whistle, glucose, jaggery, chana, snacks, etc. are also required. Now question number 9. Have you ever seen a hook and rope being used for anything else and where? Answer. Yes, they are used to pull water buckets from a well or to pull heavy goods upwards, etc. So besides, I have also watched on TV marooned people being pulled up by the helicopters during rescue operations. Question number 10. What else can we use if we went to cross a river in the mountain? Answer is to cross a river in the mountains, we need a thick rope, sling and pitons. Next question. What do you need extra energy on the mountains? Why do you need extra energy on the mountains? Answer is this is because we have to rise up against the gravitational force. Further, it is tough to walk over the rocky surface of mountains in comparison to the flat surface of plains. Next question. Have you ever heard of anyone who has done something adventurous? What? Answer is yes. One of my friends went for trekking last summer. It was really adventurous. Next. Have you ever done anything adventurous? If yes, tell your class. Write about it in your own words. So answer is last summer when I went to Shimla, I crossed a mountains river using rope, sling and pitons as mentioned in the chapter. So it was a very adventurous experience. Then next question, have you ever climbed a tree? How did you feel? Were you scared? Did you ever fall? Answer is yes. Once I climbed a tree. It was a very exciting experience. Though I was not scared at all while climbing. But once I climbed up and looked downwards for a moment, of course, I got scared. Next question. Have you ever seen someone climb a small wall? What do you think is the difference between climbing a wall and climbing a high rock? Answer is yes, I saw it many times. I think climbing a high rock may be a bit easier than climbing a wall because the surface of a rock is irregular with elevation and depression forming holes where one can put his or her hand and feet, while the surface of a wall is smooth and flat. Thus, it is difficult to climb a wall. Next, is there anyone in your class whose language you do not understand or who does not understand yours? What do you do in such a case? Yes, few days back a boy from Kerala has joined our class. We did not know each other's languages, so we talked using gestures and enjoyed very much doing so. Next question, have you ever lost your way? What did you do then? Yes, one or two times I have lost my way. In that case, I asked the local people to help me in finding out my way. Now, next question. Why do you think Khondobi would have sung loudly? So, answer is Khondobi would have sung loudly so that the group could listen and find them again easily. She may also be doing so to get over her fear. Then, have you ever seen someone doing something special to get over their fear? What and when? Yes, once riding on a high rise swing, we were shouting and yelling to get over our fear and also to enjoy. Next question, why do you think a drain was dug around the tent? Answer is drain was dug to keep off insects, scorpion and snakes or etc. Then besides mountaineering, what are other activities that can be called adventures and why? Answer is skydiving, gliding, hot air ballooning, rowing in mountain rivers are some of the other activities that can be called adventures. Next question, you are on a mountain. How do you feel there? What can you see? What do you feel like doing there? Answer is I feel very excited to climb up on a mountain. I can see high mountains all around. In between these are deep valleys. So there are also many trees all around covered with flowers. The whole landscape is very beautiful and I feel as I have come to heaven. I want to climb higher. Next, why did Bachendri put up the Indian flag on the peak? Answer is in honor of our country, Bachendri put up the Indian flag on the peak. So next question, when have you seen a national flag being hosted? Answer is besides Republic Day and Independence Day, a national flag is hosted on other moments of national pride. Next, have you seen the flag of any other country and where? Answer is yes. In Chanakyapuri, Delhi, where embassies of different countries are based. I have seen the flag of many countries. Next question, explain why it can be adventurous and challenging to climb a mountain. How would you prepare if you were to climb a mountain? What would you take with you? Write in your own words. Answer is mountains are full of dangerous rivers, deep valleys, irregular surfaces, etc. To cross these is a very challenging task. It is not easy to climb on the steep slope of the mountains. It requires a lot of zeal and vigor. If I were to climb a mountain, I would have taken along with me food packets, water bottle, rope, hunter shoes, hook, plastic sheet, diary, torch, towel, soap, wind cheater, whistle, glucose, jaggery, chana, snacks, etc. Besides, I would also carry a camera to catch the beautiful pictures. So these questions are from the chapter Up You Go. We will see the worksheet and other questions in a next video.